To increase your dishwasher's drying performance and prevent water spots, use rinse aid with every wash cycle. When the rinse aid level is low, the rinse aid icon will flash on the control panel, letting you know it is time to add rinse aid. Locate the rinse aid dispenser on the inside door of the dishwasher. Lift up the flap to open the dispenser lid. Then fill the dispenser to the maximum fill level with rinse aid. Avoid overfilling. Make sure the liquid rinse aid settles while filling to avoid air bubbles. After filling the dispenser, close the lid firmly until you hear a click. Wipe off any spilled rinse aid around the dispenser. To adjust the rinse aid level, turn the dishwasher off and press the power and dual zone button simultaneously. Then press delay start repeatedly to select the rinse aid level. Once your desired rinse aid level is selected, press the start button to save. Raise the rinse aid level if hard water is causing calcium buildup on your dishes, or if you notice spotting or streaking on dishes and poor drying performance. Using too much rinse aid can cause foaming or film on your dishes. If this happens, lower the rinse aid level. You will need to adjust accordingly. The rinse aid icon automatically shuts off when the rinse aid is refilled or the dispenser level is set to 0.